Let's be honest, creating charts in PowerPoint is not really anyone's idea of fun. Especially if there's a tight deadline and, like me, your expertise is in things like analysis and presenting and not visual design. One of the most powerful features of Statista's new Copilot integration is how you can import our charts directly into PowerPoint, from within PowerPoint itself. Simply ask for the data you need and a range of options will be there for you to select the chart most appropriate for your presentation. But even better, you can combine data from within PowerPoint too. Just ask the Statista agent to combine the data sets you need, specify how you want the chart to look, and here it is, ready to go. Just simply copy and paste the chart onto your slide and done. No manual compilation of data, no fighting the various options in Excel or PowerPoint, just the data you need in a matter of minutes. With Statista's Copilot integration, not only do you have access to Statista's trusted data right where you work, but you can access that data in the format you need, saving time and energy for tasks that matter more.